Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Columbiana local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to hire the right cheap Columbiana moving company, you need 3 Movers. We offer complete local and long-distance moving services to make relocating simple. Our team of professional movers have worked with veterans, business owners, renters, students, and homeowners. When you need to move, we make it easy. A long-distance move can become super easy with the following options. Packing services. We can do the packing and the unpacking to make your move incredibly convenient. Moving supplies. Choosing to move with us means you can benefit from the many top-quality moving supplies we provide. An on-time move. Our movers show up at the agreed-upon time ready to do the hard work for you. Upfront pricing. Get an estimate from us, and you'll get the transparent price you need to set your moving budget. Licensed and insured. Your things remain fully protected throughout the move with our help. Getting the right moving company to help you with your long-distance move makes things easier. Whether you need to go across the country or just one state over, we have the right movers to help you. Our team will make relocating so much easier for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Columbiana moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.